Alright guys, just got this engine pulled last night. I'm going to leave that auto in there. And I swapped valve covers, so this is the engine I actually pulled last night. And I just put this old valve cover on because I like my valve cover. But I just noticed a couple differences I want to show you here. Now this is the A7. This is what comes in your Audi, your first gen Odysseys, or your Isuzu Oasis, is the A7 model. And I never really paid attention to any differences in the two. And this is an A1 out of an Accord, F23A1. And until I started noticing I was going to bring this nice clean pipe over. I thought, yeah, let me bring that nice clean pipe over here. And I was going to put it on the back of this Accord motor I was putting in. And then I realized something. The A7 has a water-cooled oil filter housing right there. And these don't. These have no provision. There's basically a pipe in the, that's right here, and the other. Not only that, but this pipe nipple for the to go up to the throttle body there is right here. Or maybe this is an IACV hose. It's right here on this one. So, but this is where this hose goes right here. So I guess that's a cool feature to have if you need it. You know, if you want a factory Honda oil cooler. Now I just got to get myself a new knock sensor so this damn factory ECU won't run rich as hell, because you notice both of them are broken. Yeah, so anyways, that's it. I'm going to toss this in, get it in there. Swapped all over the timing components I needed on this side. And maybe get this thing a bath. I'm not really concerned honestly yet. Like I said, once I get a good daily going, I want the Civic done first. Come out here and show you. I want this done first, so once that gets done, this much bigger project right here, going manual, will happen. Alright guys, we'll check you later.